The most overhyped molecule is niacinamide. It is jack of all but master of none. So you can use it in add-ons if needed, but otherwise not much of use. I shouldn't be revealing my magic secret ingredient, right? If you are asking, it's glutathione. This is a very important question. People usually miss out on their vitamin deficiencies. They have iron deficiency, B12, D3 deficiency, they have thyroid abnormalities. Body की हर एक system पे आपके hormone का regulation है. Go-to procedure keeps changing, but yes, at present, pumpkin facial for rejuvenation and glow, and skin boosters for deep hydration. I try to keep it simple. Face wash followed by Erase Glad tinted sunscreen in the morning. Face wash followed by Cosma Triple Retinol at night. That's it. My belief, less is more. Don't overdo and don't overcomplicate things. Hope this helps. Bye bye.